How to purchase Amazon Prime Video in iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can purchase your Amazon Prime Video in your iPhone, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you want to get the Amazon Prime Video subscription on your iPhone, we won't use the Prime Video app. Instead, we will simply use our Safari browser, and then we're simply going to come to primevideo.com. So just make sure to come to primevideo.com. I will also make sure to drop this link down in the description box. So once you basically come to this website, what you need to do is you can see two options: sign in or start your free trial. Now in order to just go ahead and then begin our membership, I'll just tap on start your free trial option. If you have an existing Amazon account, you can log into that respectively, or else you could also just tap on create new Amazon account if you don't have an Amazon account, by the way. In my case, I already do have an Amazon account, so I'm just going to go ahead and then enter its email address, and then once I enter my email address, I'm going to enter my password and then come back. So once I've entered my email address and password, in order to subscribe, all I need to do is just tap on the sign in button first, and then it will take me to a page where I can simply enter my card details. So enter your card information such as the name on your card or your card number, and then you can simply enter the expiration date as well as the expiration year. Then just tap on the add your card button. If your card is actually valid, it is going to be added to your Amazon account, and then you will be able to successfully subscribe to Amazon Prime Video from your iPhone in that way respectively. That's all it takes to purchase Amazon Prime Video in iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.